I think my first mistake was being born, to be honest, because my dad doesn't want me.
I would have
Oh
to
my
agree.
God.
What? How?
What?
I was just trying to bump him. I swear it wasn't.
It's fine.
The intention wasn't there. I'm just trying really hard, and my mind is clouded. I'm thinking about middle-aged women.
Oh, MILF?
Specifically Jimmy's mom.
Oh, well, that's okay. I think about Jimmy's mom, too. Sometimes.
She's for me!
Huh? Wait, what? You said she's 48?
No, she's for me! And me only!
Oh. Fine, I'll think about Jerry's mom then. That's fine with me. I don't mind.
Okay, that's fine. I heard Stacy's mom's got it going on, too.